Hey guys, in this video, I'm sitting down with Sasha Wiss, who comes with 20 years of experience in project and program management domains. He is the president of PMI Switzerland and he holds both PGMP as well as MSP certification. In this video, I ask him what is the application process for MSP certification.
All right. So you talked about the application process of PgMP. How about MSP? Is it that rigorous? What is the application process for MSP?
It's funny. When I did it at my job because we applied MSP at our program. So the company invited the trainer and all of us, and we immediately did the tests. So today, just for fun, just for this interview, I went to the homepage of Exelius and I wanted to figure out how do I apply for MSP. The result is, I don't know. It's my guess is that you have to contact the training provider in your country. They put there a list of them, which you can easily get. And then they will tell you how they do the tests. When we did it in a classroom, it was paper-based tests, open book. You just sat at a table and you filled in a multiple choice, and the trainer looked at it and they immediately told you if you passed or not. So yeah.
Yeah, pretty much same as Prince 2. I think when I did my Prince 2, it was something similar. It was paper-based. And
hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video we did with Sasha and got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did and let us know. Also, do you have any other questions related to PGMP or MSP? Check out both the playlists in the description below and you'll have your answers. But if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to reach out to Sasha again. Thank you.